Hi, today I'm going to talk about my photo album. So in this part, I have two pictures. The first one, okay, that's person in the session. I have photos for my favorite or important person. This is my boyfriend, my dog, and my cousin Emilia. Okay, these persons are very important because these persons cause me love. For example, Emilia is a person which mm, it's a little baby, so it's beautiful girl, a beautiful part of my family. So in the other photo, I have an a special moment. Okay, so in this year, my mom tell me that I'm going to have a brother. So this is a sixth review from this special moment for me because after of 18 years, I'm going to have a brother. Okay, this picture is important place. So this important place is where is this important place? This important place is here in the university. Is like the space or communication. So I love the cameras. I love all of movies, films. So when I see this place, I yes I was in shock because yes. And the last picture is this important thing. I love the salad fruit. It's my favorite snack, and it is the thing that I eat when like one time in the week. So I think that is delicious. Bye.